foamy part, not the dry ice part.
Oh, you know what? It may snuff the candle. I didn't think about that.
Oh yeah, good point. Well, guess we'll find out.
Happy birthday.
Yeah, that's right. The candle should even stay lit.
All right.
Make a wish.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.